Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you here today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words didn't come out? Have you ever been in a conversation? You know what you want to say in your mind, but your mouth says nothing? Have you ever smiled and nodded because you didn't know what to say next? Yes? Well, you are not alone. I have been there too. Learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. Many people study for years. They learn big words. They study grammar rules. But when they speak, they freeze. They think, what if I say it wrong? They feel nervous, shy, or embarrassed. Let me tell you something important. English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating, talking, listening, and understanding. And you don't need big words to do that. You need simple phrases that you can use every day. When I started speaking English, I found some magic phrases. I use them every day, at home, at work, with friends. And slowly, I became confident. So today, I want to share 10 powerful English phrases I use every single day. These phrases are real, they are simple, and you can start using them right now. Let's get started. Phrase 1. How's it going? This is a friendly, casual way to say, how are you? Or how are things? It's very common in spoken English, especially in the US or Canada. Use it with friends, classmates, co-workers. Example, you see your friend in the morning, you smile and say, "Hey, how's it going?" They may answer, "It's going well, thanks." How about you? Not bad. Could be better. If they are not having a good day. Why it's useful, it helps you start a conversation easily. It shows you care, and it opens the door for connection. Phrase 2. I'm not sure. This phrase means you don't know the answer, but in a polite and honest way. It's better than saying just I don't know, which can sometimes sound too short or rude. Example, someone asks, do we have a meeting today at 3 p.m.? You reply, I'm not sure. I'll check and let you know. Why it's useful? It shows you are thinking, not ignoring. It makes you sound calm, respectful, and open to helping. Phrase 3. That sounds good. Use this when you agree with an idea or you like someone's suggestion. It's positive, it's friendly, it shows interest. Example, your friend says, let's order pizza tonight. You reply, that sounds good. Another example, your coworker says, we can meet at 10 instead of 9. You say, sure, that sounds good to me. Why it's useful? It helps keep the conversation warm and agreeable. You sound positive and easy to talk to. Phrase 4. No worries. This is another way to say, it's okay or no problem. Use it when someone apologizes or makes a mistake. You're telling them not to feel bad. Example, your friend says, sorry I'm late. You smile and say, no worries. I just got here too. Why it's useful, it shows kindness and that you are not angry or upset. Native speakers use this all the time. Phrase 5. I don't understand. You will not understand everything all the time. That's okay. But don't stay silent. Ask for help. Example, someone speaks too fast and you miss it. You say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you please repeat that? Or if a word is new, say, I don't understand that word. What does it mean? Why it's useful. You will learn faster when you ask questions. People will appreciate your honesty. Phrase 6. Could you help me, please? This is a polite way to ask for help. Example, you're in a store. You can't find the milk. You ask, excuse me, could you help me, please? I'm looking for the milk. Or in class, could you help me with this exercise? Why it's useful? It shows respect. It's better than saying, help me. People are more likely to say yes if you are polite. Phrase 7. Just a second. This means please wait for a short time. Example, your phone rings while you are talking to someone. You say, just a second. Let me take this call. Or if someone asks you a question while you are busy, just a second. I'll be right with you. Why it's useful? It's polite. It tells people that you need a moment, but you will come back. Phrase 8. I'm on it. This means you are doing the task right now or you will start immediately. Example, your boss says, can you email the client? You respond, yes, I'm on it. It shows you're quick, active and dependable. Why it's useful? It makes you sound professional and motivated. Phrase 9. Let me think. This gives you a moment to pause. When someone asks a question and you need a second to find the answer, say, let me think. Example, your friend says, what do you want to eat? You say, let me think. Maybe noodles. Why it's useful? It buys you time. It also makes your conversation natural. Phrase 10. Sounds like a plan. This is a fun way to say, great idea or let's do it. Example, your friend says, let's meet at the park at 4. You reply, sounds like a plan. Why it's useful? It shows enthusiasm and that you're ready to do something together. Review time. Let's repeat together. Let's say the phrases again. 1. How's it going? 2. I'm not sure. 3. That sounds good. 4. No worries. 5. I don't understand. 6. Could you help me, please? 7. Just a second. 8. I'm on it. 9. Let me think. 10. Sounds like a plan. Say them with me. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Use these in real life. Bonus practice tip. Write these phrases on sticky notes. Put them on your wall. Record yourself saying them. Listen and repeat. Use them in small conversations, even with yourself. Remember this. You don't need perfect English to speak English. You need real, simple, powerful phrases. Don't wait to be perfect. Start today. Speak today. Practice every day. Every journey has ups and downs. But if you keep moving forward, even slowly, you will improve. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, that you are learning something new. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't be afraid. Thank you for watching. Which phrase is your favourite? Comment below. Do you want more phrases like this? Let me know. And please like, share and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Together, we will make your English better, step by step, word by word. You are doing great. Don't give up. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.